What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Money again, and in today's video I will be doing this hairstyle here. Okay, if you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. You already know the deal. Yeah, let's just get straight into this video. Hey y'all, so right here I'm just brushing out my hair. It is currently like damped from me washing it, and also I sprayed some conditioner on it, like in a little bottle, water and conditioner. So I'm just brushing it out so I won't be tender-headed. Right here I'm just going ahead and parting the back of my head, because this hair is some really thick hair and I can't just put it on top of honey, it's a lot, so I gotta put it in sections. And that is just what I'm doing. I'm starting in the back, and in the back I'm going to go ahead and put the gels that I use, the products that I use, on top of my hair. So I'm sectioning it off now, because oh my god, just look at how thick it is. Lord have mercy. So yeah, I had to go back in and brush it, and as you can see, that white stuff, that is the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner that I leave in, because I need it. So yeah, so the items that I'm using is petroleum jelly. Yes, I'm only using this because I don't have my my stuff that I use like on a daily basis. So I'm putting this all around the perimeter of my hair, and then I'm going in with my Eco Styling gel with the castor oil in it. I am putting that all around as well, where I put the petroleum jelly, and I had to get a whole lot because honey, my hair is not gonna stay down. As you see, it keep coming up like it don't want to. It's a kid that don't want to put the clothes on. So I put it all around, then I put it in a ponytail. But before I do that, I have to make sure this gel is like mixed in with my natural hair, because that's the only way to get straight. Okay, as you can see, I put my hair in a ponytail. I'm doing my hair in like maybe 2, maybe 3 ponytails. So this is the first one, and as y'all can see, the roots, look at the roots, y'all. It's straight. Look at that. Look, I told y'all, look, it's straight. Look at that. Look at it. Now I'm gonna do the top of my head, and this is gonna be kind of hard. So right here I'm combing out my hair first. This was already kind of like pre-combed, so I comb my hair first, and then I'm using a wig brush because like I said, I couldn't find my own stuff. So now I'm going to use that same wig brush. It works the same. Okay, it works the same. And I'm using that, brushing my hair out, using the same procedure, y'all. Same procedure. Petroleum jelly around the perimeter. As y'all can see, I put it close to my roots, because that is where I really want my hair to be really straight. And then the rest will fall in the line. So I really want to get this part laid. So right now it's turning out kind of good. It's turning out kind of good. Oh my god. Ooh, look at that. Y'all see how, look at that. Wow. Look at my waves. You see my waves? Okay, so for the back, how I'm gonna do it, I'm going to put this hair, and this hair is from leftover braids that I had a long time ago. Yeah. Curl pattern matches my waves. Y'all see my waves?
Alright, so I just opened them, tried to open them from the middle. That's how it looks. So I'm gonna just take the little scrunchie, loop it. Okay, we're gonna loop this. Or at least try to loop it, because honey, your girl don't know what she's doing, but we're gonna figure it out together, okay? We're gonna figure it out. So I got it in the middle. This is my first time doing this. We're gonna boom. So what I feel like I should do is loop it again, because I feel like this is not safe enough. So I should just loop it again and then put it around my hair. So I'm gonna loop it again. It's better to be safe than sorry. So I looped it twice. Uh-oh, missed one. Hold on. Pull that one through. Alright, so now I'm just gonna, I feel like it's secure. Y'all see that right there? So now I'm just gonna put it around my hair. And this side I got the blonde, so I'm gonna just
put it on my little bun. Girl. Okay. So I'm gonna turn it, if that makes sense. Yeah, I'm gonna just pin the ones that's like in the middle of my head right now. I'm just gonna pin them down so like those won't go nowhere. Okay, so right here I took some of the braiding hair that I had. I wanted some blonde, and you know how you have a ponytail, you put that extra hair around so you won't see the track or whatever. So that's kind of what I did. I just thought it was a cool idea. It was really cute. You know, you really can't see it, but it's actually cute and it's a cool idea. So how I secured it was with some bobby pins. I had one starting off and then another one like towards the end of the whole thing. So yeah, it's so cute. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys liked it, definitely give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below on what you thought about this hairstyle or whatever. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, keep subscribing, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next video.